Have you ever stopped and thought about what it will actually feel like on the very first night you were placed in your grave? Not the idea of it, not the imagination of it, but the real moment when the world you once knew disappears, when every distraction ends, and when you are finally left alone with nothing but the truth of the life you lived. That moment, that first night, is coming for every one of us, and nothing in this world can delay it. Imagine the scene. Your body is carried by people you once spoke to, laughed with, argued with, or ignored. Some will cry. Some will be silent. Some will think about their own lives while standing over your grave. And as they lower you down, the earth you walked on your entire life becomes the earth you are now lying beneath. The sky you stood under becomes the sky others look at while you see nothing at all. The noise of the world fades, the footsteps grow distant, and eventually, everyone leaves. They walk away. Their lives continue. And you remain there, in complete stillness, entering a world you never saw but were always moving toward. Now think about that very first moment, when your soul realizes that everything you once held on to is gone. Your bank account is no longer yours. Your car is no longer yours. Your home, your clothes, your phone, your plans, your dreams, every single thing you were so attached to stays behind. And you take with you only your deeds, your intentions, and the state of your heart. On that first night, the things you ignored will matter most, and the things you chased will mean nothing. The moments you prayed, the moments you remembered your Creator, the moments you helped others, the moments you apologized, the moments you fought your desires, the moments you tried to be a better person, the quiet struggles no one knew about. These will come to you like light in the darkness. But the moments you wasted, the people you hurt, the opportunities you ignored, the sins you never repented from, the arrogance you carried, and the excuses you lived by, these will come to you as a heavy weight that you can no longer escape. For some people, the first night in the grave will be a night of peace, a night where they feel a sense of relief they never experienced on earth. Imagine lying in complete darkness, but then feeling comfort, safety, and calmness surrounding you, because your faith, your sincerity, and your good deeds become your companions. Imagine realizing that your Creator is pleased with you, that your efforts were accepted, and that you are being welcomed into a new world with mercy and gentleness. But for others, that night will be filled with a loneliness they never felt before, because now, the truth they avoided their entire lives is right in front of them. And nothing they loved on earth can help them now. Their friends cannot help them. Their wealth cannot help them. Their excuses cannot help them. Their pride cannot help them. Only their actions, their sincerity, and their relationship with their Creator will speak for them. We do not talk about this to scare you, but to wake you up. Because every day you are alive is a chance to change the entire experience of that first night. Every moment you choose good over evil, discipline over desire, humility over pride, kindness over anger, prayer over distraction, every single one of those choices builds light for your grave, comfort for your soul, and safety for that first night. When you think about your grave, something incredible happens. You begin to live differently. You stop wasting time on things that do not matter. You stop caring about the opinions of people who will not be there for you on that first night. You stop chasing things that have no value in the next life. And you begin living with intention, with purpose, and with sincerity. So ask yourself now, before that day comes, what am I doing to prepare for the moment when I am placed in the ground? What deeds am I bringing with me? What relationships am I fixing? What habits am I letting go? What prayers am I returning to? What kind of heart am I building for the moment when my soul stands alone? The first night in the grave is not meant to frighten you. It is meant to free you. It is meant to remind you that life is temporary, but what comes after is eternal. And the preparations you make today can turn that night into the most peaceful moment of your existence. May your first night in the grave be a night of light, mercy, comfort, and peace. And may you live a life that prepares you beautifully for what comes next.